Now you learn. Now you learn that a lens is a combination of prisms and a glass slab. Clear. Let us see. I'll show you for both the lenses how they are a combination. Let us check. This is a convex lens. Clear. Now what you do? This first middle part. Convex lens, you can say this convex lens. See, the middle one is glass slab, and this is a prism. Prism means generally we think that it is in triangular shape. Suppose this is a prism, it is broken here. Then this portion will show the same nature like a prism or not? Yes. So these are combination of a glass slab and prisms keeping the bases facing to each other. This base, its base is this side, its base is edge is top. Now what will happen? Always you know, prisms the ray instant go towards the base. So what will happen here? First ray is this is a normally instanted on the glass slab goes without any deviation. This ray, when a ray incidents on this prism, as you know, it will bend it towards the base. This is the base here. So base gone. Similarly, if this side ray incidents, this base is upward. So base is gone. Are you clear? This way the convex lens works. Secondly, means action of prism and glass slab. It's very simple one. If you want to draw, you can draw here like this. Simple. This is a glass slab. This is a prism, and this is a prism. Very simple. If you can show, means, are you clear? This is also act like a lens only. Clear? Similarly, come to the concave lens. Here what? It is also a combination of a glass slab at the center and bases facing opposite direction to each other. This is a glass slab. Just a minute, let me draw first. See the diagram. This is the prism. Base is outward. This is also prism, base outward. This is also prism. Gradually, this is the glass slab middle. Here, the bases are outward, down also. Clear? Now a ray incidents normally on this surface, goes without any deviation. Now suppose a right ray incidents on it. What will happen? Towards the base is outward, so what will happen? Bend, then bends. Here also same bend and bends. Like that. If you draw backward, they will meet at a point. Clear? Okay. This also you can show by simple. This is glass slab. You can consider this is a glass slab. Now this is a prism. The base is outside. This is a lens. Clear? So this is this way the prism. glass slab, a prism is a combination of a glass slab and few prisms we can prove. Okay, clear?